So, my presentation is about something that you are not seeing too often on stage. Everybody is speaking about technology, mindset, how affiliates are optimizing, and so on. But there is a very important group of persons in this industry that is never covered in speeches. And these are the affiliate managers. And this is what I'm speaking about today. The title of my presentation is 100 million euros payout later, what really keeps the affiliate live in your program. My social handle is called Afpal. I have on YouTube some stuff uploaded, on Instagram and so on. So if you are interested in my journey and to learn something about affiliate management, to get inspired with these things, follow me. So who is this dude? I guess a lot of people here in this audience have not heard about me before, because I cover mostly other verticals than casino and crypto and so on. So let me introduce myself to give you an idea why I have credentials and credibility to speak here. So beside the fact that I like fancy suits, I'm 40 years old, I'm German, but I live in Romania, and I have a 3-year-old daughter that is here on my arm. I'm since 13 years in affiliate management, and before I did 8 years sales and finance. Always when I had a management position in this industry, it was for me a very important factor to manage affiliates on my own. Only in that way you can really stay close with your ear to the market and get a feeling what is really happening, and not only relying what your team members are telling you. In my role of managing affiliates myself, I pay out way more than 100 million euros over the years, and this was mainly done in dating, mobile, and telemedicine. These are the verticals that I'm a little bit specialized on. I trained more than 60 affiliate managers and hired them, and I managed more than 80. As you can see from these numbers, that I have a very big preference in working with new people that I train instead of hiring people from the industry. It depends, of course, a little bit what is the situation of your program or your network, but this is my personal preference. I did over 100 speeches, panels, keynotes in the past, and this is another one, and I'm very glad that Sigma invited me for the second time to make a keynote about this topic. What are my current projects? I'm head of business development in Masters in Cash. That's a dating advertiser. And for them, I'm building at the moment an affiliate management center in Iași. That's the city where I live in Romania, and where you can find really talented people. Besides that, I'm on the advisor board of several projects. One of them is the AW Summit. It's a conference that is happening in May in Bucharest and in autumn in Ibiza. So check this out. It's an amazing show. And me and my friends, we put a lot of effort into it to make it as interesting, from speeches, networking events, and party for everybody that attends. Besides this, I'm on the advisor board from Traffic Manager. It's a software solution if you want to build a network or if you want to run a program. They just launched their casino division. And I'm about to help also the first casino client, Doubles Casino. And my biggest project at the moment is under the brand Afpal to write a book. I have, for me, the wish to educate myself as much as possible about this field. And I wanted to read a book, how to do affiliate management, to get inspired. And the last book was written in 2009. Everything that is written in 2009 in affiliate management is not up to date. Nobody cares about this stuff, so I decided I write my one on my own. So that's it about me. You have an idea who I am now. And let's get into this topic. The first thing we have to look at is the affiliate life cycle. It starts with the acquisition, starting the affiliate, get him live in the program, and of course, scaling. And once this is done, the really big challenge is starting. The really big challenge is to keep the affiliate live in your program. On my YouTube channel, you find also a speech of me specialized in all 4 points, what to do, what is the best thing to do. But today, it's all about maintaining. Yeah, great design work that I did here. Okay, when you look at the affiliate, you have several reasons why they are stopping to work with you. So, we have personal reasons, We cannot do anything about it. They can try another advertiser. We can do nothing about it. They shift the vertical. They go where the money is. We can do nothing about it. This is not about what makes the affiliates stop by themselves and we cannot influence. This is about what is on our side as the program, but also as the affiliate manager. And at today's presentation, we are covering what the program can do first. So if you are managing the program, you get maybe some ideas that are helpful for you in the future, but also what the affiliate manager himself has to do to keep the affiliate live. Some things you will look at it and you will say, okay, that's common sense. But even when it's common sense, it doesn't mean that everybody is doing it in a perfect way. So we start with a program. Most important is, of course, the product. The product needs to be permanent, improved, needs to be renewed, and what is also very helpful, to follow trends. In this way, you always have a top-notch product that the affiliate loves to promote. And it's also very helpful to catch opinions from the affiliate, what other products on the market are working well, and you can get inspired by this. Beside the product, it's of course also important the promotion opportunities that you give to the affiliate. That can be on a really deep level, like you offer white labels or API. I love API. It's for me my favorite way of working with partners, and it connects you really very strong with this affiliate. But of course, very basic things like landing pages and banners. Especially if you are live in exotic countries where the affiliate usually don't have access to a proper translation, it's one of your duties as the affiliate program to have localized banners and landing pages, at least for the start. Usually the affiliate makes better banners than you, but they want to maybe see how this new market is converting, and once it's good, they put an effort to find proper translators, and so on and so on. Shaving. I know there was only one presentation done that was covering this horrible topic, shaving. I think it's really bad to do it. Even if you are paying out double and you shave 50%, and the affiliate has practically the same EPC, it's taking away data from the affiliate because it's missing half of his conversion. And data is key. People are not losing money, they are just buying information and data. So provide all this information to the affiliate. If you have a network that needs a super crazy payout and you agree with them on a shaving because they need it, you can maybe do it. Me personally, I think it's a very bad thing to have it at all. The payouts, they have to be, of course, competitive. You have to see what are the other players on the market pay. You should adjust the payouts always by source to scale the good ones and to lower the bad ones. And what else we have? And to cut, of course, the very bad sources so you can keep a healthy payout in your program overall. Then the payout switch. This is something that we are really using in Masters in Cash to a very big extreme. We are usually paying out on CPL, but if you have a really good source on CPL that is banking for you, don't give him a higher payout on CPL. The better idea is to take the sub-source and to recommend the affiliate to move to rev share. In that way, they stay longer with you because they will earn permanent, they will earn more, and this will also fill your pockets as the program more than the quick buck over CPL. The payments, the affiliate has to receive money. You have to offer them multiple options that they can really receive the cash. A lot of people are not having a bank account or something like this, so have their other stuff to offer. And now comes a topic that is also not so common to speak about public. This is incents. So there are these lead rallies. Who can make this amount of leads gets extra cash. Who makes this amount of leads gets an item. In my experience, if you have a direct affiliate, it's always the best to give this affiliate cash. If the affiliate is not an individual, it's a company, and you have a guy that is an employee to send you traffic, I would always recommend you to give you items. Why? Let's say the price that pays out is 1,000 euros. It's not that the advertiser manager will get this 1,000 euros. It will go to the owner of this traffic source, and it's gone. So the motivation for this person is not that big. If you give them like an item, it can be headphones, it can be a smartphone, whatever, the account manager can usually keep it, and that keeps them motivated. So that's maybe a nice idea to try for you at the next contest. And after what the program can do, as mentioned in the beginning, we look also what the affiliate manager can do. Most important thing, and this is what I said with common sense, is to keep your promises. And to keep the promises, I recommend you to use a CRM system that has reminder and task functionality, because in this way, you can make yourself a reminder and you will never forget to circle back to the affiliate about an important thing you are working on. The CRM system is also very helpful to know everything about the affiliate, so always keep your CRM system up to date. And if you are not using a CRM system now, a lot of people are still working with Excel sheets, implement it tomorrow, it will improve your affiliate management game big time. The CRM system can be used also for data mining. I put in our CRM system every request that affiliates have. For example, they want a country that we are not covering. They want a way of promotion that we are not covering. Once we are getting this, I run data mining, and I will see all the affiliates that requested this country or whatever it is in the past, and we can circle back to these people and offer them a solution that they requested maybe long ago, and we would never ever remind if it would not be written down. Of course, you have to monitor the development of the affiliate, so it should be definitely on a weekly basis, if not more often, to see who started, who stopped, who increased, who lowered, when they lowered, why they lowered, and get there in a discussion to solve maybe problems. Because it's very often that the affiliate is lowering or stopping, and they are not getting back to us if there is not like an obvious problem. There are many programs out there, so they can simply jump very easy. Suggestions help the affiliate to optimize. You have sometimes more insights than the affiliate into the traffic, and you can suggest landing pages, you can suggest devices, you can suggest browser languages, and so on, things that the affiliate is maybe not seeing in their dashboard. Special products. If you have a good affiliate and you have a new product, you can always reach out to your best homies and give them a product nobody else has. Everybody loves new product. Only be careful with one thing: if the product is something that you have absolutely no experience about, don't use the affiliate as a guinea pig. Guarantee them an EPC that the risk is in some way split. You have to work detailed. Very often an affiliate is starting a link that was not used for a longer time. So when you are starting or when you are restarting something, always check that the callback is up to date, that the links are still working, that no domains expired, and of course that the payment details are also updated in your system, that the money arrives at the current bank account or PayPal or God knows what he will receive and not get lost somewhere, and then we have to chase the cash. And of course, as the last point, solution-orientated. So when an affiliate is requesting something and you know there can be cash, really fight with your tech department. Tell your manager to speak with the tech department to push requests through, as long as it makes sense, of course, for your company as well. So actually, I'm perfect in time. 1 minute more until it's ending. So thank you very much for your attention. Here you find all the details, how to reach me and to follow my journey. And in summer, my book, The Art of Affiliate Management, will be published. And I hope you will all read it and support me. So thank you very much. Enjoy Malta. Have a great day. Thank you.